Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. Today in this video, I'll be talking with you about how you can download your favorite Microsoft Windows, whether it is Microsoft Windows 11, 10 or 8.1. If we talk about Windows 7 is now no longer receiving any kind of update from Microsoft. So you can say like Windows 7 is expired. So no support from Microsoft. Now let me just quickly show you how you can download it. So without ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we will be opening the internet browser. So let me just press Windows button. Now I will type EDGE here. So if you have Chrome or some another browser, then you can open it, but I am trying to make this guide as simple as possible so that anyone can download Microsoft operating system. Now I will be just typing EDGE and now I will click on Microsoft Edge. Now what you need to do, I have provided a link in the description of this video. Just copy and paste it, or maybe you can directly type this link here in URL. Now you will reach to this page which is from Microsoft, so you do not need to worry about whether the kind of ISO that you're going to download, because this is directly from Microsoft, so you can trust on it. Now let's start with Microsoft Windows 7. So as I told before, you can see the Microsoft Windows 7 is no longer supported by Microsoft. So here you can see the editions of Microsoft Windows 7. However, you won't find any link to download. But here you will see that how you can upgrade your Windows 7 to Windows 10. And this is the last date of support of Windows 7. So let's leave it and let's go back and let's click on Windows 8.1. So let's say you want to download Windows 8.1, then for sure you can download it. Just click and just go here, and from here you can select the version that you want to download and then click on confirm. After that you need to select product language. So let's say I would like to select English. So I can select here English International. Now I need to click on confirm. And here we go, we have furthermore download option. And let's click on confirm. And here we go, we can see we have the Windows 8.1 available in 64 and 32-bit configuration. So let's say you have a very basic computer, then I would recommend you to go with Windows 32-bit operating system, especially in those cases where you have RAM less than 4 GB. Now you just need to click on these buttons. Let me just click on this 32, and here you can see the download has started automatically. Similarly, let me just go back and let me just quickly show you the same way you can download Windows 10, Windows 11. Let's say you already have Windows 10 and you just want to keep it updated, then for sure you can install the Windows Update Assistant. So just click on it and it will get downloaded. Just install it and it will definitely going to upgrade your Windows 10 operating system to the latest build. So that's all guys from my side. In this way, you can download any of operating system from Microsoft. If you have any kind of doubts or question in your mind, do let me know in comment down below and I will definitely try to reply you as soon as possible. Till then, take care and bye bye.